Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this sumptuous, delicious, authentic Isi Ewu. Isi Ewu. To make this, you just need the Isi Ewu. This is cleaned, so I'm going to cook it. Add anything you want to cook it with. Just I'm trying to prep. I put Maggi, thyme. I'm going to add pepper. I will be adding onion. This is the only onion that I'm going to add to this. I'm going to add onion and then I'll cook it, allow it to be done. Then I'm going to use ungo. You can use kawa. Kawa is also good for this, and I think it's even better, but many people like ungo. So now add the oil in the clay pot. You can use your pot or anything you have with you, but this is in the on top of the stove, so I've on the heat, a little bit of heat. So now I'm going to add the sieved kawa, which is single that I'm using. So now I stirred it and it's going to thicken a bit, but I think mine did not really thicken, but I think this consistency is also okay for issue. But you can add little cow to it. So I added a little bit of cow a cow to it, which is edible potash, since it has refused to thicken. So I'll allow it to thicken a bit. So I'm going to leave it to thicken, and if you refuse to thicken, we will continue. Now I use my odo, which is this pistol, to just turn them and then add crayfish. Now it's getting better. Add crayfish. I'm going to add pepper. You can add salt immediately, but I don't think it's necessary to add salt. So this is ehu and efu. That's what I'm using for it. I mix them up and then I'm going to stir properly and make sure they are all incorporated together. So there's also one other thing that I'm going to use. This is also, some people call it also. So I have dipped it in water, allow it to soak and soften. Now I'm going to now pound it. This is what I'm going to do, pound it. This will replace the using the brain, because I don't like using the brain. I prefer using also. This is how we do it in the village. Some people use the brain, but I prefer using also, which is also. Some people call it also, some people call it also. Now you can use this thing to cook egusi as well. So now I am, after pounding it, I'm going to make sure I pound it at least finely, at least make the way that I want. After pounding, I'll bring it out from the mortar. Look at how it looks like. And after pounding it, yes, it is time to add them inside the um oil, inside the sauce. Now I'm going to add everything there. Add any amount you feel like. At this stage you can add the brain if you like it, but me, I don't like that brain. It's somehow, to me, I don't know. Just turn them and then allow it to cook a bit. Meanwhile, I told you I am cooking it. I let the stove on a bit, very little. This is my almighty ogiri. This ogiri, ha, if you use this particular ogiri that I use, this one is for real grandma, not ogiri egusi. This is real ogiri and it is medicinal. Now I'm going to turn them. I turned that, it's still hot. This pot is hot like this. So now I'm adding the isi ewu, and it is cooked. Yes, very tasty. Now I'm going to add everything. I have added everything, sorry. So but what I'm going to add is now is the oba. This is very good ugba. Add any type of ugba that you have, and then turn them, and it's almost ready. Now that I'm going to turn them to my own, allow it to warm up the way that I like it to be hot, so you can eat yours right away if the meat is hot. For me, I like warming it up more, so that when you are eating it, it will be very, very hot, and with the pepper, you will do it. Very, very delicious. I am not going to add anything again in this. It is okay this way. You can top your own with oziza or tase. I don't have otase, so what's the need? So you can put onions on top to just decorate it. I did not decorate. Thank you for watching. Bye.